In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use auto debug on terminal errors in Cursor. First, run your command in the integrated terminal inside Cursor. This could be anything like starting a dev server, running tests, or installing packages. If something breaks, Cursor will detect the error output automatically in the terminal. You'll usually see an option appear like Debug with AI or Fix with Cursor. Click that option, and Cursor will send the error message directly to the AI along with relevant context from your project. The AI will then analyze the issue, explain what went wrong, and suggest a fix, often including the exact code change or corrected terminal command. You can review the suggestion, and if it looks good, apply it or rerun the command after making the changes. This is especially useful for debugging build errors, missing dependencies, or runtime issues without manually searching through logs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.